Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade ponzu sauce. Ponzu sauce is sour soy sauce. You can easily find it at Japanese grocery stores or Asian grocery stores, but nothing is better than homemade ponzu. And good thing about homemade ponzu is you can choose what to use to create the sourness. It's very easy to make, so let's get started. These are what you need: soy sauce, mirin, citrus. Any citrus will do. Lemon, orange, yuzu citrus, whatever citrus you like. Little bit of kombu seaweed and katsuobushi bonito flakes. The portion of these three is all up to your taste. Soy sauce is for the saltiness, citrus for the sourness, and mirin for the sweetness. If you want to make salty ponzu, you add more soy sauce. If you want to make sour ponzu, you add more citrus. And if you want to make sweet ponzu, you add more mirin. This citrus I'm using today, it's called Natsumikan citrus. It's not as sour as lemon and it's not as sweet as orange. And today I'm doing 1 to 2 to 2. 1 to 2. Let's squeeze this and see how much juice I can get, so that I know how much soy sauce and mirin I need. I'm just going to cut this in half and squeeze the juice into this bowl. The other half. And I'm going to strain this into this measuring cup to remove the seeds. In here, I have about 70 milliliter citrus juice. That means I need 70 milliliter soy sauce and 35 milliliter mirin. In this container that I can microwave, I'm putting 35 milliliter mirin. I'm going to microwave this about 1 minute to cook off the alcohol. I don't smell any alcohol, so let's add soy sauce and the citrus juice. 70 milliliter soy sauce, 70 milliliter citrus juice. You can adjust the taste here. If you need more saltiness, you add soy sauce. If you need more sourness, you add more citrus juice or vinegar. And if you need more sweetness, you add more mirin. This one tastes good, so let's add kombu seaweed and katsuobushi bonito flakes. Little piece of kombu seaweed, some katsuobushi bonito flakes. Put the lid on and put this in fridge and let it sit for 1 week. The ponzu sauce I made a week ago is finally ready, so let's strain it into another container. You can use this as a refreshing version of soy sauce. It's good for sushi, sashimi, gyoza, tofu, you name it. I hope you like it. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!